Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nessa Ray, period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, I will be doing a handbag unboxing / review for this company called SINBONO. But before we get into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to turn on post notifications to get notified every time me or my boyfriend posts a brand new video, y'all. So this company called SINBONO reached out to me. They wanted to send me their handbag to review for them. It is a vegan handbag company, you guys. Like, it's cruelty free, you guys. There was even I think featured in the British Vogue, like, yeah, like upcoming luxury, y'all, and we know we love cute things on a budget, so that's what I'm gonna be putting y'all on today. I'm about to be unboxing these handbags with y'all, so y'all gonna get my first impression, and I'm gonna give y'all my honest review, y'all. So let's get right into it, y'all. Okay, y'all, so they sent me over 3 handbags to review for them, and I'm gonna leave the information down in the description box below, you guys. But it's like they're really trying to save the environment with these bags, with what they're doing. I love the concept and the statement that it holds, you know. Okay, y'all, make sure to use my coupon code down in the description box to save coins on your order, because you're not a baddie if you're not trying to save some money, okay? Period. But yeah, y'all, they sent me over 3 handbags, you guys. I picked the handbags out myself, so shout out to SINBONO for letting me pick the bags and not like just sending me whatever, you know, because some of these companies, you should really try to lowball you. But I like that SINBONO let me pick my own handbags, you guys. And I'm just gonna start off with the one on the top. Okay, y'all, so this is the box that it comes in. Let me see if I can see it. It's a marble box, you guys. Look how beautiful this box is. And I love the branding, you guys. You see it has SINBONO on the box, and the box just looks like this. I love the box, y'all, and I love the marble, and I love the whole concept of that. Okay, y'all, so you just open it like this. Okay, I'm trying not to like struggle too much. Good thing I don't have on nails, y'all, because it would be hell. But there we go, y'all. Hold on. Just accept this. And once again with the branding, you guys, like, super beautiful, super neat, super chic. I love that they have their name on literally all parts of this box, this unboxing. Like, you gonna know this bag is from SINBONO, okay? Okay, y'all, so then now we just gonna take the bag out. There's nothing also in the box. I don't know if y'all can see, there's nothing in it. And this is a cute little dust bag, comes with black strings, and then boom. And this bag, I think it's called the Vienna or something like that. I'm gonna make sure to leave it on the screen, but it just looks like this, you guys. Oh my god, super beautiful, super pretty, you guys. Like, look at this bag. And bro, like fresh out the pack, like, this bag is soft to the touch. Like, I swear to god, like, it looks soft and it feels even softer, you guys. And I love the gold like detailing and stuff like that. Like, it's super cute, you guys. And once again, it has the name SINBONO on it, like Brandon, period. I love that. And they even got it on the zipper things right here too. I love that, you guys. And then this is like, hold on, let me see if this is like a button. Oh no, this is not a button, this is magnet actually. So you just unclip it and then just clip it back right like that. I couldn't talk for a second, but you just clip it back like that, and then that's how it's looking, you guys. Like, this bag is super adorable. So I'm just gonna unzip it, and then the zippers go both ways. Ooh. Okay, good. I was wondering where the chain was, because I watched unboxings before I did mine, but the chain is like right here. Like, this chain is super heavy, y'all. And then it just comes with the stuffing and stuff. I'm gonna take that out. Y'all, once again, I cannot emphasize how soft this bag is, you guys. Like, this bag is super soft. And then this is how the inside is looking. And then it just got a packet right there, a pocket. Y'all know I'm Jamaican, so my accent's gonna be coming in and out, baby. But it just looks like that, y'all. It's super soft, y'all. Super freaking soft. And you can also wear this as like a crossbody, or you can just, you know, oops, you can just wear it as a regular purse like so. Which, knowing me, I'll probably wear it as a crossbody just because, like, I don't like to hold things in my hand, you know. I have to emphasize again how heavy this chain is, but let me just put it on and show y'all how. And then this is just how the bag is looking. Like, super cute, y'all. Like, this bag is so soft. Like, I cannot get over how soft this bag is. Like, to say this bag was made out of recycled stuff, like, the quality is freaking chef's kisses, okay? So this is the next bag. Y'all, I forgot the names of these bags, but I promise y'all I'm gonna put the names on the screen. And I just know this is my favorite freaking one, y'all. Like, it's the same marble box and the same concept, you know, SINBONO. And it's my favorite one because y'all gonna see why. Like, it's in my favorite color. And I know it's this one because the other one that I got is like a little bit bigger than these two. And I already unboxed the black one, so I know this one gotta be it. And then it's pink. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Y'all see this? Oh my god. And then once again with the branding, y'all can see it. It's like right there. And then it got the SINBONO on the handle things too. Like, it's super pretty, you guys. I don't know why it's so bright. I'm just gonna take it out. And I love that this is magnet too, y'all. Super pretty. And then this one, it just comes with the handle. Ooh. And I already know what I'm gonna wear this bag with, y'all. Look, got the SINBONO on it. Like, branded. They branded up their bag. Like, when you're wearing a SINBONO bag, y'all is gonna know that it is a SINBONO bag. This is how it's looking right now. Y'all don't mind my fingers. But yes, like, it's so pretty, y'all. And then the strap is like not too long. It's like the perfect size to like carry over your shoulder. So I absolutely love that. And then the material on this one, once again, like, even if I didn't read up on their company and their history and stuff like that, I would not know these bags are recycled, like made out of recycled products. Like, these bags are super soft. Like, it's really, really good quality. Like, really good quality. Y'all better, I'm telling y'all, SINBONO is gonna blow the fuck up. And y'all gonna wish y'all get these purses. Okay, y'all better go over there and get these purses right now. And make sure to use my code to get money off. Because these bags is giving Gucci and all them other luxury brands a run for their money. Because these bags are super good quality, you guys. Last bag that I have, it actually didn't come like in the marble box because I emailed them about it and it was like they're trying to get the perfect shape for the bag, so they don't have any boxes yet for it. So it just came in a dust bag in that big brown box. And once again, it has SINBONO on it. And I'm just gonna open it like so. And it came wrapped up, you guys, like in paper and stuff. Y'all look at this bag. Once again, they got the branding on it in the front. They got the branding on the hooks. And y'all look at these, like this gold color. Like this gold color like is super pretty. And I don't feel like it's gonna like fade fast. So that's a good thing, y'all. And like, I think this is, yeah, this is a magnet too. I love that these purses have magnets, just because, you know, sometimes it can be a hassle with the zip. So I love where it's going with that. You just open it like this. Oh wow, y'all, this part of the bag right here, it's like super freaking soft, y'all. It's like super soft. And then it just comes with the hook. And then paper. Y'all, SINBONO, they don't only sell handbags, they sell wallets and stuff like that too. And I know they have different chains that y'all can choose from to go on the bag. So if you don't like the bag, the chain that it comes with, or the hanger that it comes with, y'all can always go on their site and like choose a different hanger, you know. Ooh, I love this, and I love the color, y'all. I will definitely be wearing these on the daily, y'all. Especially that black one. Oh my god, that bag was sexy. Like, that bag was so chic and so beautiful. Oh, this is how it's looking with the strap on. And the color, I know this color is like ivory for a fact. Super sleek, super pretty. I love this bag. Okay, y'all, so this is my purse that I've been carrying around every day. And I'm just gonna transfer the stuff that I have in here. And I'm not gonna like take anything out. I'm gonna put every single thing and put it in this bag. Oops. To show y'all how much space is in this bag, okay? And I would do it with like all the bags, but I just don't want the videos to like be too long and like y'all get bored or anything. So I'm just gonna do it with this bag. Okay, first I'm gonna put my wallet. Ooh, hold on. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, my wallet can't hold because my wallet is a little bit big. So I would have to definitely take out like my important stuff from my wallet and put it in the bag. But let's try everything else. So I have a mask. I have 2 bags of gum because you need gum. I got protection. I'm sorry. And then I have this lip balm from Smile the Red Club. It smells so good, y'all. I could eat this. I have that. And then I have my car keys, but my car keys is like hung up out in the living room and stuff. But yeah, y'all, like this bag actually has like a lot of space. Let me see. You know, let me see. I got some cash. I would just put it in here too. And then my driver's license, and then I have my driver's license, and then about like I have 3 credit cards. So I'll just take like 1 credit card and put it there. But yeah, y'all. and it doesn't like look bulky or nothing like that. Like the bag is super sleek, super chic, and it's super pretty, y'all. Okay, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified every time me and my boyfriend post a brand new video, you guys. And make sure to shop SINBONO, y'all. Like, their bags are absolutely beautiful. They're saving the environment. And also make sure to use my coupon code. It's gonna be in the description box to save some coins off your purchase. It's your girl Nessa Ray, and I'll see y'all in my next videos. Bye, y'all.